We're having homegrown chicken, homegrown asparagus, and sweet potatoes that I've already peeled. These are all going on the Blackstone. We're also adding in some of our homegrown carrots. I have sliced the sweet potatoes and I have quartered the carrots. These will be way too much for us tonight, but we'll have leftovers. We're going to go down with the fresh carrots first. All right, so we're going to just spread those out and let them cook down a little bit. Then we're going to add the sweet potatoes. They'll go on the other side. I'm going to hit it just with a little touch of oil. Mix it up and get her cooking. We'll add a little Blackstone all-purpose seasoning. We're going to go down with the sweet potatoes. Don't hit the griddle with your hand. That could get a little dangerous. But we're going to spread these out a little bit. I'm going to hit them with a little bit of olive oil. And then we will add a little all-purpose seasoning to them. There's the all-purpose. We'll let those cook a little bit. Flip them around in the oil. I'm going to turn this side down just a little bit so that the sweet potatoes don't overcook while we're cooking our carrots. Now we're going to go down with all this chicken. That is 4 chicken breasts. Hear that sizzle. I've got this down on low, but we're going to mix this up. Get it all down on the griddle top. We're going to hit it with a little seasoning. Chicken's down, and hear that sizzle. We're going to hit it with some tequila lime, Blackstone. And we'll toss it around just a little bit, and then we'll go down with the asparagus because it'll take the least time to cook. The chicken is almost done. It's looking good. We're going to throw down the asparagus and we'll be ready to plate. Time to put the asparagus on. It's been soaking in water since we got it out of the garden, but we're just going to lay it out. Spread it out, get it all down on the Blackstone, and we'll let it go for just a little bit. I'm going to season it up, and then we'll about be ready to plate the entire meal. A little more all-purpose for the asparagus. We like seasoning. To cook the asparagus a little bit faster, we're going to hit it with some water, let it steam, and dome it up. There's one plate. We've got our chicken, asparagus, sweet potatoes, and carrots. There's 3 plates that are full of chicken, carrots, sweet potatoes, and asparagus. Looking good. Now let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Got a little chicken. That's good. See how the carrots came out. Those are really good. Homegrown, gotta love it. Sweet potatoes. Nice and tender. Homegrown asparagus. Now that's good eating right there. You know the drill. If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, share it with somebody else. If not, give me a comment down below what you'd do different. Be sure and hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Till next time, God bless.